I'm Chris, and this is another Tamiya unboxing video. I have no idea what it is. Let's see. Ooh, I had to pick this one up. The price was dropped down to about $152 because of tax time. These places have to get rid of their inventory. So I don't know much about Honda Civics, but these were super popular in the late 90s, early 2000s. I picked this one up because of the drift chassis. I had to put my hands on it and see exactly what these tires feel like. It comes with oil-filled shocks, I believe ball bearings. Hopefully I don't fall in love with it. Notice the blue heat sink. Very, very happy that it comes with this. So we have oil-filled shocks in black. So these kits do not come with servos, but they do come with very good servo savers. There's the ball bearings that come in the kit. Very cool. So this kit comes with a 22 tooth pinion, anti-wear grease, normal grease. So Tamiya throws one in there, you know it's going to be high quality. Notice how it wraps around most of the motor, so it's not just going to fly off. So the white box means the brushed DSC. These work good. You can run them on LiPo and they will cut out at low voltage. And this kit comes with a sport tune motor. So polycarbonate body, high quality as usual. We are going to paint this one yellow for sure. So window masks, body stickers look fairly easy, but check this out. That sticker right there, covering the whole hood in carbon fiber, looks a bit intimidating, I'm not gonna lie. So the only molded parts for the body are the door mirrors. So no pre-drilled holes if you wanted to run magnetic body mounts. The body's one solid color. When the car doesn't have a bunch of crazy graphics, just choose a color that you like. I am in fact gonna paint this one yellow. The color codes, notice lemon yellow for the plastic paint. It does want the door mirrors sprayed. I'm just gonna mix something up with my airbrush that matches the polycarbonate paint. Look at that huge carbon fiber sticker, very intimidating. So I think that these are some of the most realistic and best looking Tamiya wheels they make. So first time noticing offset on a Tamiya wheel. So zero offset means that the wheel mounting surface is right in the center of the wheel. So positive means towards the outside of the wheel. So the wheel mounting surface is gonna be about right there. So the moment I've been waiting for, touching the Tamiya drift tires. Very, very high quality, much different than I thought. The cheap AliExpress drift wheels just feel like cell phone cases, like an OtterBox. This feels a little bit different. Detailed instructions on building your oil-filled dampers, very awesome. So we have the TT-02 chassis. This is a proven chassis, awesome chassis, very durable, high quality. Recommend TT-02 all day and all night. So everything's back in the box now. I will have a video doing the body, 100% cutting it out, making it look just like that picture. And we will have a chassis video highlighting the special drift spec stuff that comes in this kit in the future. Don't know when. I'm working on my house right now. I just unboxed these to see what they come with and the paints and everything. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.